Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of hydroponic gardening with what I consider the best hydroponics growing system outdoor available in the market. This hydroponics growing system kit boasts some impressive features that set it apart from traditional gardening methods. Let's explore what makes it stand out. First off, this system utilizes the latest SMD LED technology, providing full-spectrum light to your plants. With 159 LED lights delivering 35 W of power, your plants receive all the wavelengths necessary for optimal growth. Plus, it's energy efficient and delivers 30% more luminous flux compared to traditional grow lights. Now, let's talk about the advanced water circulation system. Using the deep flow technique, this system ensures that your plants receive a regular water flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to the roots. Not only does this promote faster and healthier growth, but it also operates with minimal noise, ensuring a peaceful gardening experience. One of the standout features of this system is its self-sufficiency. With an ultra-large 4L water tank and exclusive nutrient formula, your plants can thrive for up to 18 days with just one watering. Plus, the deeper tank allows for better root development and breathability, while the escalated plant foods provide all the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. But wait, there's more. With a 17.78-inch extendable rod, you're not limited to just growing herbs. You can grow a variety of plants, even in the coldest of winters or in apartments with limited sunlight. And let's not forget about the accessories. With everything from planting hats to biochar mud, this kit has everything you need to get started on your hydroponic gardening journey. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient hydroponics growing system for your outdoor garden, look no further than this hydroponics growing system kit. With its innovative features, self-sufficient design, and ease of use, it's truly a game changer in the world of gardening. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Happy gardening!